In this video, we are going to see how to design a Turing machine for a language WWR. How to design a Turing machine for a language WWR. So that language we are having now that one as WWR. Language of that machine with WWR. The WWR, that is W is 0101, then the reverse of the W 1010. This is one example, right? Now, here, how do you design a Turing machine for this particular language? Now, here you start with this is the Q0 we are having now. So you assume that one we are having this is the input, right? So the input is here as 0101, then the reverse as 1010 we are having now, right? Now here we are going to start now in the Q0 as a first state, starting state. So this is the leftmost Q0. So this is the zero, right? Now from Q0, the input is 0. Q0, the input is 0. The 0 is replaced by Y. 0 is replaced by Y. So this is, so in that step, 0 is replaced by Y, and then we are moving to the state Y, and then the another all other things are, so that remain as 1 0 1 1 0 1 0, right? Then followed by we are having some blank space. You are seeing that, followed by we are having a blank space, right? So this is at one step. So for one step is implied. So from the one step means we are having a one input symbol, we are scanning and we are moving that one. So the now the current state is Q1, Q4. Current state is Q4. So we are scanning 0. So the current state is Q4. This is the current state. This is the symbol. Then we are having now the Q4. This is the case, move to right. So we are moving to right. That is one, right? Then what we are having now, the next coming all ones and zeros is skipping and moving to right. So that is 0 means that 0 itself and move to right. 1 then is going to have as 1. So that is just there is no change in that symbol until that one, and there is no change in state also. So here the step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 steps. So here you put now as this is here up to that 7 step, right? Then we are getting now that result as Y, then 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. Then here we are having now the followed by blank space is there, blank space is there. So we are moving that one, then we are reaching now, this is the position in Q4 by 7 steps. So 7 step means, so from Q4 moving to that one, then there is no change in 0, change in 1, change in 1, change in 0, no change in 0, no change in 0. Then we are reaching to the Q4. So that one. So if you are having, this is a blank space, then the blank space is leave as it is and move to left. So this is important. Move to left, right? So what we are having now, so move to left means then here we are having move back to here. So that is, and change the state to Q5. So our next step is here we are having now, that one as was Y01 101 0. Then here we are having now the blank space, blank space, blank space. Now we are having in the current position as here. This is the current position. The 0 is the current position, right? So the 0 is the current position now. 0 is the current position now. So this is the current position, and we are in the state Q5. Q5, right? Now Q5, then what we going to have that one, definitely you should have the 0. So the 0, the corresponding 0, that is reverse. So this is the 0. At the end also you should have 0. So that is then, so you should have 0 that is replaced by Y and move to left. So what we are getting now that one as here Y 10101, then this 0 as Y, 0 is converted into Y, then we are having blank space, then Y and move to left. So go to the Q6. So this is the Q6 position. So move to left. So this is changing that y and move to left. Then this is one as Q6. Now from the Q6, all ones and zeros are skipping and move to left. So we are moving to left until that one, right? So how many number of steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. So here we are having now by 6 steps. So what we are getting now that one as here y followed by 101, 101. Here y, then followed by we are having now the blank space. Blank space. Now we are in the position as Q6 in that y. Q6. Right. Now in that Q6, now we are having y. So y, then we have to move to right. Y as it is leave, move to right, right? So that one as here we are moving to right. So now this is the case, right? So we are moving to right. So this is moving to left to right, right? So then moving to right and go to the Q naught. So this is, and in that one we are having now here move to right, then this is the Q naught state. Then that is same repeat repetition for that other symbols up to this one. Same repetitions for other symbols and so on. Right? Then this y is converted, this one is converted into x. So this one is converted into x, and we have to move until the last one. Then we are having this y. Then y you have to return back. This one is converted into x. So the y is x now. Right? Then here we are going to back to now here. The same way we are going back now. Then this is going to change now that one as y, and we have to move up to that one. Then this is changes y. Then we have come back now. This is x. Then this is x, right? Then after reaching that one, that this is a question we are reaching now. Then we don't have that one, right? So we don't have that ones and zeros. Then we are. This is the completion. So if you are having x and y, then we have to move to right x and so all are x and y. Then move to right until the dollar $L. So at the end we are having this not a dollar. We are having blank. So this is a blank or dollar, blank or dollar. So we are having blank. So that one as we are completing everything. So that we are reaching now in the final state. So all ones and zeros are converted into x and y. Then we are reaching the Q naught state. Then all x and y's are then scanning until the blank space. So this is reaching now that Q8. The Q8 is final state. This is a way of designing the Turing machine for a language WWR. That's all. Thank you.